Getting my annual pass holder magnet. I pay ridiculous amounts of money for this annual pass. Y'all better believe I'm getting everything I can out of it. Apparently there's a line to get my magnet. Apparently there's a virtual queue. I would have just thought I show them my thing and I get a magnet. It's a whole thing. So what do I do exactly?
You put the QR code.
Okay.
And then wherever it takes you, then put the camera on Orangeburg.
Okay. And then... So that's cute, Disney up in their game. I'm never in town, so it's nice to finally get one of these little extra perks for being an annual pass holder. Wish they'd mail them to us, but it's nice to be here and get it.